with the IUPAC naming of compounds with functional groups, right? So today we'll start off naming with the hydroxy derivative of alkenes. We have studied the naming of alkenes, branched alkenes, branched alkenes. We have studied the naming of alkynes. So now we will carry on with the derivatives, that means the functional groups, right? So this is a hydroxy derivative. So original compound was 1, 2, 3. Make it propane, right? One of the hydrogen over here was replaced with a OH. One of the hydrogen was replaced over here as OH. So it's a derivative of alkenes. Let's start off. Our first job is to find out the principal carbon chain. Let's start. First, the principal carbon chain contains 3 carbon atoms. So, the root is propane, P-R-O-P-A-N. See, the original compound was P-R-O-P-A-N-E. It was P-R-O-P-A-N-E. Whenever you are naming the functional groups, the E is removed, the last alphabet is removed, and the functional group comes and takes its place. So, it is propane, the root is propane, right? Okay. So, propane, and we write it over here as propane, P-R-O-P-A-N, not E. Next, number 2, as dash OH, see OH is present, alcohol group is present, it's a class of compound of alcohols, is present, the suffix is dash all. So whenever OH is present, the suffix is all. So we can write down this one as propane, P-R-O-P-A-N, propane dash all. Now observe. Now my work is to number the carbon chains. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. From whichever side you number, you see the OH is at number 2 position. So this is also correct, this is also correct, right? The numbering from either side dash OH is at carbon 2. So if it is a different numbering, the lowest location number is taken. So what will be the naming now? So we got the location number. So it will be what? Propane, P-R-O-P-A-N, propane dash 2 dash all. So we got the position of the OH group. There is no prefix. So what will be the name of the compound? So name of compound is propane, P-R-O-P-A-N, propane dash 2 dash all. So this is the name of the compound. So as in my previous videos I used to tell you, please note down in your copies. Here also, please make sure you note it down in your notebook. I will move aside from the board so that you can see it clearly and note it down. And then we'll carry on with the next example. I hope you have noted it down. Let's carry on with the next example. Now we will try to do a branched compound with the same functional group. Okay? A branched compound with the same functional group. 1, 2, 3, OH is over here and I put a CH3 over here. So what will be this? CH3, CH, CH2. Right? So this is my branched compound. Remember, you might have understood by this time how to name the compounds. Whenever there is a functional group and the substituent group, the functional group always gets the preference. When you go to class 11, you will be studying about multiple functional groups. Then you will be studying the series of priority. So we will not be studying that part. Whatever is there in your ICSE syllabus, we are going to study only that much. Right? So, let's start. What it is? First of all, to find out the principal carbon chain. So this is my principal carbon chain. The principal carbon chain contains 3 carbon atoms. So, meth, prop. So, it is the derivative of propane. So, root is propane, P-R-O-P-A-N. Now, what we will write down? Propane we will write down. P-R-O-P-A-N. Propane is my root. Next. Dash OH group is present. So the suffix is all, dash all. Now after writing all, what we are supposed to do? We are supposed to find out the position of the all. So P-R-O-P-A-N, propane, and here dash all. Now comes numbering of the carbon compounds. I can number it in this way, 1, 2, 3, or I can number it in this way, 1, 2, 3. Remember, the functional group always gives the lowest location number. So this is the correct numbering. This is the wrong numbering. So this is the correct numbering. 1, 2, 3. Not 1, 2, 3. This is wrong. This is wrong location and this is correct one. Right? So what is the position of the alcohol? 1. Numbering from left hand side, dash OH is at C3 and numbering from right hand side, dash OH is at C1. So, lowest location number C1 is accepted. So what will I write? Now comes propane dash 1 dash all. But we are not yet over. Observe, we have got a substituent group also. What is the position of the substituent group? At number 2 position. So, at number 2 position there is a methyl group. So, what will be my prefix? At C2, methyl group is present. So, prefix is 2-methyl. So prefix will be 2-methyl. So now what is the name of the compound? The name of the compound will be 2-methyl propane 1-ol. Right? So the name of the compound is 2-methyl propane 1-ol. In number 2 position the methyl is there. Name of compound. 2-methyl propane 1-ol. So I hope you understood. Make sure you write it down and you will understand it better. I will move away from the board so that you can note it down. Okay. So I hope you have noted it down. Now we move on to the next example. Example number 8. So let's move on to the next example. Example number 8. Example 8. Let's see what it is. Now this is a different functional group. Observe. It might not be taking your ICSE syllabus, but still let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. There is a double bond over here. Start thinking what is the compound? CH3, CH2, CH3. So this is my compound now. The next compound is this. So obviously, as you can understand, the functional group is dash CO. This is my functional group, right? Hence it's a ketone. So what will be the suffix? Suffix is dash ONE, on. Right? So let's start off. Now, once again the principal carbon chain. The principal carbon chain over here is like this. This is my principal carbon chain. Start off. The principal carbon chain contains how many? Contains 4 carbon atoms. So, root is butane. Right? So, we will write down butane. B-U-T-A-N-E. Not butane. Butane. Right? We got my root. We already know this is a ketone. So, my suffix will be on. Right? So, let's write down as suffix is dash ONE. So, meaning comes like this. Butene dash ONE. Now comes numbering of the carbon compounds. Please start numbering it. Once again, remember, the functional group should get the lowest location number. So let us number it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is wrong. This is correct. Why? That CO is at position number 2. So dash CO group is at C2. So what is the name we are getting to? We are getting butene dash 2 dash on. Is there any prefix? No prefix available. No prefix. So what will be the name of the compound? I already got the name of the compound. So no prefix available. So we can write down it is this butene dash 2 dash on. So the name of the compound is butene 2-on. Name of compound is butene dash 2 dash on. So we have done this with ketones. This is how we name up ketones, right? Please note it down. So I hope you have noted it down. Now we will move on to the next compound. Let's do a branched ketone. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double bond O. Here the C is 3. Here it will be 3. 1, 2, 3. Here will be a H. Already 4. Here 3. This is a ketone. Now principal carbon chain contains how many? 4 carbon atoms. Now you should be able to do it a little bit faster. Principal carbon chain contains 4 carbon atoms. So root is butane, right? So we got butane. B-U-T-A-N. Now what is the functional group? Functional group is dash CO is present. So suffix is dash ONE. So I got B-U-T-A-N dash ONE. Now we will number it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the lowest location number. Here in this, you will see the carbon has got over here 3. If I take this numbering and here number 2. So the lowest location number is taken. This is wrong. This is correct. So we will take that CO group is at C2. So what we will get the location of it? we have got a methyl at what position? Carbon number 3 position, 1, 2, 3. At C3, methyl is present. So, prefix is 3-methyl. So what we will get now? We are ultimately coming to the end of the naming. We got 3-methyl and here over here butane 2-one. So name of compound is 3-methyl butane 2-one. So this is what is the naming of branched ketones, right? So make sure you practice it, and practice it. More you practice, more you get habituated with it. Okay? Please note it down.